I would like to find top 5 and bottom 5 orders from my table that I have here based on the value. To find the top one, I will use function large, select column where I have values, make it absolute, and put here a 1 as top one. Now instead of 1, I can use value from the cell above, so I can use write function and use last letter of this text. So top 1 and 1 letter from the right will give me the same result. Now I can copy this formula and I have my top 5 values in my table. Now I can get here also supplier names. To do that I can use match function, find this value again in this list. Now I know that it's in row 17, so if I use index function and use supplier name as a range, it will give me supplier name. Now I can again just copy it, and now I can copy this formula once more time and just move it to order numbers, and I will get order number for my top 5. Same thing I can do for bottom 5, but I will use small function, select column with values as my range, and again I will use write and 1 character from that cell above. I can copy this formula, put it here, copy to the right, and same thing with order number. Now to highlight those top 5 and bottom 5 in my table, I will use conditional formatting. I will make a new rule based on formula, and I will use formula match in case value in column B is matching what I have in my top 5, and I want exact match, so there needs to be 0. Then I want to format it as this green. Now I highlighted top 5, and now I can also create a new rule. Again, it will be match from column B. Now I will be matching with these values, and I want exact match. And then let's pick this color. And now I have in my table highlighted my top 5 and bottom 5. And that's it.